Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Our today's lecture is of step by step English grammar level 5. Let's start our lecture. Lesson number 4, sentences. A subject is a noun or a pronoun. To find a subject, ask the question who to the verb. Read the sentences given below. Mary bought a doll. The room was littered with paper all over. The farmer is tilling the soil. A yellow butterfly is sitting on the red rose. Every sentence has two parts, a subject and a predicate. A subject is what or whom the sentence is about. सब्जेक्ट जो है वो क्या होता है, इज़ वट और whom द सेंटेंस इज़ अबाउट, जिसके बारे में हमारा जो सेंटेंस है वो है. अ प्रेडिकेट टेल्स अस समथिंग अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट. प्रेडिकेट जो है वो हमें सब्जेक्ट के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देता है. द वर्ड्स इन, ऊपर वाले सेंटेंसेस की बात हो रही है. द वर्ड्स इन रेड आर ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स. द अंडरलाइंड वर्ड्स आर ऑल वर्ब्स, डूइंग वर्ड्स. The words in blue are all predicates. Let's understand. In the sentences below, circle the subject and underline the predicate. Copy the sentences in your notebook. First sentence है, the children enjoyed the magic show. The children is our subject and enjoyed the magic show, that is enhancing or explaining the subject is predicate. Same is the case with second, third, fourth and fifth sentence. The cat, subject, Muse, predicate. Anita and James, subject, love dancing, predicate. I, subject, finished my homework before going to play, predicate. Joseph, subject, will bring chocolates for all of us tomorrow, predicate. The position of the subject changes when we ask questions. Sometimes the position of the subject can change in statements too. Study the following examples. Why is John? John is our subject. Not coming down for dinner. Are you? You is our subject, feeling unwell. Where have Anne and Steve? Anne and Steve are our subject, gone. Yesterday the school is our subject, was closed. There were 3 starry kittens, are subject, sitting under the table. Practice. Complete the following by writing the predicates. Joseph and Anne are good students. America is a powerful country. They are eating. I am Pakistani. My school name is Allied School. The following sentences have many subjects. Copy the sentences in your notebook and underline the subjects. Uncle Sam, Rogers the dog and Tinker the cat. ये हमारे सारे सब्जेक्ट हैं. All live together like friends in the little log hut. Nancy and her uncle, ये हमारा सब्जेक्ट है, went for a stroll after dinner. Tim and Melanie, subject, ordered a pizza for themselves. Tom and his friend, subject, went to the store to buy some bread. 5. Aunt Wendy and Aunt Maria, subject, are coming home for breakfast. Write 5 sentences of your own in your notebook. 3 sentences should be statements and 2 sentences questions. Underline the subjects in each. Connect the subject with its correct predicate to make a meaningful sentence and write it in your notebook. Subject and predicate. A small mouse climbed up the back of a sleeping lion. It thought it was a hill. The lion woke up instantly. He roared angrily. The mouse said he was sorry for disturbing him in his sleep. Extended exercise. Copy this passage in your notebook. Complete it with suitable subjects or predicates given below. नीचे दो आपको ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, ये ऑप्शंस आपने इस स्टोरी में लगा के स्टोरी को फिल करना है. दिस इज़ योर होम टास्क. स्टूडेंट्स, इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग Unit 4 sentences, you can ask me in comment box. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.